Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Cynthia and you guys are welcome. How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. And like I always say, even though things are not going as you had planned it to be, don't worry guys, it will pass, it will pass. It may be only a phrase and you learn through the phrase. So I jump right into this video. I want to say thanks so much, to my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you guys so much. You guys are amazing, thank you guys so much. To my old subbies and my viewers, thank you guys so much, for sticking by me. I appreciate, anyway guys, it's only a few days away from Valentine's and I said to myself, I haven't done a cooking video in 2020 and I said to myself, let me try out a Valentine's breakfast idea menu, So anyway guys, and I'm going to be making plantain and egg frittata. Anyway guys, as you can see from the title of the video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a Valentine's breakfast idea to wow your spouse, and when I say spouse, I mean your fiance or your husband. If you've got boyfriends, you can cook this food at home and snap the picture and show it to them, because ladies, you don't give a man white privilege if you're not married to him. Just my opinion, I'm entitled to my opinion, don't come for me guys, just an advice. You can take a picture at home, you can make this food at home, take the picture, and then you can make this food at home, snap it, and then show him and say, oh look what I made. Then he can see that you can cook. Don't be giving a guy white privilege if you're not married. Anyway guys, let's get right into this video. I am going to be making plantain and egg frittata, and as you guys may know, breakfast is an important meal of the day which should not be missed. However, due to our busy lifestyle, we sometimes miss that, but personally for myself, I have learned not to miss breakfast. This is a super easy recipe. All you will need is basically your oil. To the oil you add in your onions, leave to cook for about a few minutes, then add in your chopped hot dogs or chopped sausages, and leave to cook for about a few minutes, and then you add in your salad pepper of any color of your choice. For me, I use the green salad pepper, the red one, and also the yellow one, just to bring out that burst of flavor in the food basically, And for spices, you can add in any spice of your choice. I love my non-cube, and I also love my all-purpose seasoning. Okay, next I'm going to add in my tomatoes. After adding your tomatoes, you stir, and then you add in your spices. Basically, I use chili flakes, non-cube, and of course I use Maggi sauce. Now with this sauce, I love this sauce guys. It kind of brings out a different burst of flavor, so I always use this when frying my egg. And lastly guys, I'm going to leave my stew to cook for about a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to prep my egg. Basically, I've got nothing much to do here. It's just to basically whisk the egg and then add it to my cooked stew, and then mix, as you can see, just mix properly. And then I leave mine to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then lastly I add in my plantain, my fried plantain over it, and then I cover the pot and leave to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then voila, your plantain and egg frittata is ready to be served. Ready, come and eat. Super delicious. Super delicious guys, super delicious. So, anyway guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in another video. And disclaimer, don't come for me guys. And I will see you guys in another video. And of course, happy Valentine's Day guys once more to you all, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye.